Hey, unsay ayo diha. Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. Long time no see, guys. Karon atong tan-awon ang Tomica Premium Nissan Skyline Edition. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Let's go! The Tomica Premium, this is actually first released in 2015. And napupusog sa gawas. Okay, and then ang first sa ilang line is this Tomica Skyline Turbo Super Silhouette. Money, pag 2015 release. This video is all about Nissan Skyline in the Tomica Premium Edition. Okay? Alright, ablihan sa nato. So actually, this is my first time getting the Tomica Premium. So, well, I don't have any idea good ani. Inside the box na ipakapin ani na paper. Basa na to be. Unsa man ni? Sample presento. Oh, I think kaning katakan na it says presento, present. I think kung iwan i-scan ang QR natin kay present tingali. Sample. Sample. But I don't know what na ako i-testingan. Okay, first let's check the box as box. 1:67 scale. Then you see so since this is ang first release mo lang karaan sa sakit ng tingali. Kira na di man ako gamiton sa. Okay, side, other side. All right, let's check the car itself. Here you go. Na siya ay dagang suwat-suwat, no? Skyline, kuyaw egg spoiler. Ang rims at kuyaw sa kay rims. Okay. Headlights in the separate part. Mura sa sigat sa mini GT inside. Driver seat. Yang under chassis. Now, anindot ka na yung pangalan. Tomica Skyline Turbo. Scale 1:67. Tomica before actually katong initial D and then nasa is suspension. But kani there's no suspension. Ano yun? Fixed. See, but let's check kung open baling layo. Abi na kog maabli iyang kuan trunk. Tawa, mura mag-maabli pero gahi man so wala lang gisuwan. Wala ko gipugos kay magguba niya. Okay, again, this is the Tomica Skyline number 1. Here, number 1. Next Skyline is the number 4. And this is the Nissan Skyline GTS R. Okay. Box. Oh, another feature, opening doors. Opening doors. Sige. And it also comes with this paper, same sa katong usa. Right. Compared to kuanday Hot Wheels Premium, kanin siya is plastic tires. Ang Hot Wheels kay rubber tires man. But I think in terms of detail sa body, mas nindot ni siyang Tomica Premium. Ang advantage sa Hot Wheels kay katong rubber tires din nila. Tarawang headlights. Glass niya. Opening doors pag yun. Let's check it out. The doors. Tanan! One thing to note, kani siya na Skyline, na siya suspension. Okay. I think ay bago-bago naman siya na model. Good number 4 compared to first kani kay number 4 na. Next Tomica in line, or next Skyline in line rather, is the Nissan Skyline GT-R-V Spec 2. Opening doors gihapon. I think mauning gigamit ni Brian sa Too Fast and Furious at the beginning of the movie. This must be the R34. Okay. Oh, and again, sila tanan may papel. Present paper. Okay. Oh, okay. Nindot yung rims. Headlights lang isa. Okay. Closer look. Atong ablihan sa. Tada! With the opening doors. Nindot. And same with the number 4. This number 11 also has suspensions. Nindot din yung tabangan. Yeah. Number 11 din eh. Next. This is the number 20 Nissan Skyline HT 2000 Turbo RS. Karaan. Okay. Parehas lang na yung papel. I love the detail of the rims, gold and silver. And the decals RS Turbo. Look at the plate. There. Now let's have a closer look. The inside. Oh, nasa ko no mirrors itong no. Okay, let's open the doors. Here we go. I have to say I like the red paint job. Nindot siya. Yeah, okay. Claro. And same with the previous models, number 4 and number 11. This number 20 also has suspensions. Okay. Check. Okay. Come on. I want to show you the Skyline RS Turbo. Nindot yung taillights. So. Okay. Last in this collection is number 26 Nissan Skyline GT-R R32. Okay, the box. Opening doors at except sa number 1 Raday. May di mo open. The other 4 models open. Okay. And of course, it comes with a promotional paper. Sparkling block, you know siya, no? Murag dust. Okay. One thing that I noticed really well, ang yang plus point is the headlights of all the Nissan. The one gikan sa sugod. Nindot silang headlights, oh. Detailed yun. Nindot sa rims, guys. Oh. Okay. Here we are with the open doors, and also it has suspension. Where are you going? Nara, I want to show you sa iyang kwan, Leo. Ano yung katong number 1 Tomica Skyline Turbo Super Silhouette. Next is number 4 GTSR. And then let me change kasi pang forma. This one is the number 11 GTR V Spec 2. Number 20 Skyline HT 2000 Turbo RS. And the last one is the GTR R32. So this is the complete Nissan Skyline set of the Tomica Premium so far. There's only 5 models. 1, 4, 11, 20, and 26. Okay. Lahi sa siya, no? Kung i-compare sa Premium ba. But I guess let's compare with another model. This here's the Liberty Walk Mini GT Skyline siya. So that you can see comparison. One thing to note, kani siya na ay side mirror, no? Ang uban, ang Premium, wa man sila side mirror. Nga naman. Okay. No, side mirror. And then, kanisa siya, Liberty Walk ay rubber tires. Sakto jud. Headlights, tail lights, nindot kayo. Actually, I was hoping na gamay raslag difference between the Tomica Premium and this Mini GT Liberty Walk. So kung gingnan ako migo, ako i-compare ni Tomica Premium, but before I made this video, kaya man ko ka-open na to na time, niya na siya na no contest, dude. Mini GT for the win. I guess you're right. Dako ng difference. The paint, you can say almost the same. You can say almost the same. Headlights also. But the level of detail, look na, say side mirror, rubber tires, and the rims are almost the same. Okay, I guess. But look, yung muffler, line color, and details. So, if you have the budget, or if ganang kag Liberty Walk, Mini GT, however, I don't have any complaints. I still enjoy buying this one, making this video, and for the price, it's a huge difference. Kani kay pilam ni 1,000, around 1,300 yen, while these Tomica Premium, I got it only for about 600 yen each. Give or take 700, 600. Okay. Yes, mauna na. Guys, thank you for watching again. This is Bisaya in Japan. Don't forget to like and subscribe.